Unraveling the phrase, going stag, a guide to English idioms. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unravel its idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to explore what it means to going stag. Whether you're at a social event or watching a movie, this phrase can pop up, and it's a great piece of language to understand. So, let's get into it. The phrase, going stag, refers to attending a social event without a date or companion. Traditionally, it's often used in the context of a prom, wedding, or any formal gathering where guests might typically bring a plus one. But, why a stag? Well, a stag is a mature male deer, which is often seen alone or without a mate during certain times of the year. Hence the analogy. The key takeaway here, when someone says they're going stag, they're planning to attend an event alone. Understanding where idioms come from can often help us remember them. The term, going stag, originated in the early 20th century. At that time, social events were highly gendered, and the expectation was that men would escort women. When a man showed up without a female date, he was said to be like a stag, alone and unaccompanied. Interesting fact, the female equivalent phrase is going doe. However, it's much less commonly used. Let's put our phrase into action. Here are a few examples. I wasn't sure who to invite, so I decided to go stag to the office party. Are you going stag to the prom? Or do you have a date? Many people now choose to go stag to events, preferring the freedom it allows. Notice that the phrase can be used for anyone, regardless of gender, in modern contexts. In today's society, going stag has lost some of its old-fashioned connotations. It's become more acceptable and common for individuals to attend events alone, reflecting a cultural shift towards independence and the de-emphasizing of traditional pairings at social gatherings. Remember, using this phrase correctly also shows a deeper understanding of English social customs and language nuances. And there you have it, the meaning and usage of going stag, demystified. Next time you decide to attend an event solo, you'll have the perfect term to describe your plans. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're feeling a bit more confident in your English language journey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.